Let's understand how to evaluate this expression. So we'll begin like this. The terms in the denominator are raised to negative powers. So bring all these terms up to the numerator. So they come up to the numerator with positive powers. You can see it here. Minus 4 becomes plus 4 in the numerator. Minus 3 becomes plus 3 in the numerator. Minus 6 becomes plus 6 in the numerator. Also, all the terms in the numerator are also raised to negative powers. So bring all these terms to the denominator. They come down to the denominator with positive powers. So minus 2 becomes plus 2, minus 1 as plus 1. So you can just see 3 there. 3 to the power 1, which is just 3. Minus 2 becomes plus 2, minus 4 becomes plus 4. So this is the first step. Next, let's factorize the numbers if possible. Now 22 is 2 into 11. So 22 to the power 4 should be written as 2 into 11, which is 22 to the power 4. Likewise, 21 is 3 into 7. So 21 cubed is written as 3 into 7, the whole power 3, into a power 6 as it is, divided by minus 7 square. 7 cannot be factorized further. 3 also as it is, into 11 square into a power 4. Now here this is in the form AB the whole power m. AB the whole power m should be written as a to the power m into b to the power m. So you see it here, 2 to the power 4 into 11 to the power 4 into again AB to the power m. So 3 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 3 into a power 6 divided by, this is very important, the power 2 is only for 7 and not for the minus sign. The power 2 is only for this number 7 and not for this minus sign. So let's rewrite this to make this clear. See here, you can see 7 square because power 2 is only for 7. So you can see 7 square here. Then how do we represent that minus sign alone? So write it as 7 square multiplied by minus 1. 7 square multiplied by minus 1 is nothing but minus 7 square. Alright? Separate the minus sign from 7. Because the power 2 is only for 7, it's not for the minus sign. So this should be written as, separate the 7 square, write 7 square separately, multiplied by minus 1. Into 3, into 11 square, into a power 4. Next, see here, we have different bases. We have base 2, base 3, base 7, base 11 and base a here. There is only one term with base 2. So write it as it is, 2 to the power 4, and it's in the numerator. So write it as it is in the numerator. There are two terms with base 3. So we have 3 to the power 3 divided by 3. So when base are same and its division, we subtract the powers. So you can see into 3 to the power 3 minus 1. Then there are two terms with base 7. So into, again subtract the powers because they are in division. 7 power 3 minus 2 multiplied by, there's 11 power 4 divided by 11 squared. So 11 power 4 minus 2. We can see a power 6 divided by a power 4. So a to the power 6 minus 4. Divided by minus 1. Minus 1 is in the denominator. Divided by minus 1. The others we have simplified. We are left only with minus 1 in the denominator. So when it's divided by minus 1, how do you represent it with a multiplication sign? So division becomes into. Division becomes into. And minus 1 will become its reciprocal. Correct? It's divided by minus 1. So it will be into. Take the reciprocal of minus 1. The reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1 itself. So divided by minus 1 is written as multiplied by the reciprocal of minus 1, which is minus 1 itself. Next, let's simplify this. 2 power 4 into 3 square into 7 into 11 square into a square into minus 1. Now, since the product is going to be large, we could leave the answer at this step itself. I have just shown the final product. You could also leave your answer here. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. This is 9, 7, 121, a square and minus 1. The product of these numbers is 121968, and you can see into minus 1 here. So I've just fixed the minus sign here. A square. So the answer is minus 1,21,968 a square.